Hello friends. Do you know that by the help of AI, you are able to create an image into a funny video without any previous knowledge of animation tools? Well, it's so easy that it would take only 1 minute of your time. And that all is for free. In today's video, I am going to tell you how you can make your still image of avatar into an animated video. You can use this tool to create a faceless YouTube channel. Or you can inspire your kids too. First of all, you need a drawing or a cartoon still image. As you already know, we have multiple tools to create AI images. Some of them are Midjourney, Leonardo AI, or Blue Willow. But I am going to use a shortcut as I always do. Let's begin with step 1. Go find Lexica on Google and click on the first link. Let's search for the full body 3D cartoon. Then you just need to select one of your choice. Once done, download it. Then search Sketch Canvas on Google. Go to this animation website, and I am also going you the link in the description for this website. Now click on the upload button. Click next. Click agree. And now select it close to your character, as it looks good. So click next. Now you need to remove the extra things it selected. For that we have brush tool here with remove or revert facility. Let's see how I am doing it. As I did, you need to do the same for your images. Once done, click next. Then you need to find joints. See how I am doing it. And you need to do exactly same for your images. Once done, click next. Now here you can see many pre-made animations. And you can select one of your choice. See, I am showing you some of them. Not quite satisfied. So I will try with another image. Did you notice, as the website says, it's for drawing type of images, not for 3D images. I hope soon they gonna make it available for 3D type of images too. But for now, I think it's better for hand-drawn sketch type of drawings. Let's try with one of the image I got from Google. Let's see how it works. Did you notice here I did not require to trace image, as it was all set itself. I also did not require to set joints. And it's exactly matched. And now see how it's working now? So you just need to get a funny short script
from ChatGPT
and add pictures from Lexica. And add your animated character. It's done. I hope you liked the video. If so, please click the like button and share with your friends. Do not forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.